Hello everyone, my name is Anamika Mishra. I am going to teach a topic, as you can see, story writing. So today we will discuss about story writing. This is a very easy and interesting topic. As you can see, in your childhood or in your daily life, always you are creating stories. So story writing is not a difficult thing. You can create stories easily. So I will discuss some important points related to story writing. So we start with the story. Story is about create a problem. So in a story, first you have to create a problem, then solve the problem. And one very important thing, in story writing, you don't write moral of the story in the end. So no moral, because in the story you already mentioned the theme, so need not to write again moral. So this is a very important thing. And one more important thing about story writing, marking scheme. So in CBSE it's marking scheme like that. Title should be 1 mark, content 4 mark, accuracy 2.5 marks, and fluency should be 2.5 marks, and total will be 10 marks. So your marking should be like that. You have to focus on title, content, accuracy, fluency, and the last part is if you write all the things clearly, you have get 10 marks. So 10 marks is not that difficult because you are always creating a story, so it should be easy for you. So now very important points I will discuss with you. Like if we talk about title, so you have to write title simple and sweet words, 3-4 words, not more than that. After that, a story. In a story, don't write too long. It should be within 150 to 200 words. So and I will tell you what you have to write in the story, what you don't have to write in the story. So your do's and don'ts, that will be helpful for your exams. So first thing about the story writing is don't use supernatural character. Means if you are writing a story, in the exams, one example given like Ram and Shyam going for trekking, and after that they give some clues and they give some hints. You have to complete the story. So don't use like they saw zombie or a vampire. So don't use supernatural characters. And the second thing is don't try to end it with moral. I told you earlier, you all already mentioned the theme and the moral. So do not try to end it with moral. Moral of the story is like that. So don't write it. And the third, very important, don't make it too long. I told you, don't make it too long. Write a story in a simple and a brief manner. And very important, as you know, this is a English, so you have to careful with the spelling mistakes. Avoid spelling mistakes and avoid grammatically incorrect sentences also. You have to, after finishing the story, you have to check the spellings mistakes and the grammatical errors. So you will get the good marks. So remember these points before writing the story. And the very important thing is about story writing is, first, what you have to do, how to write a story. First, very important, start with the given in cues. Whatever cues you have given, like I have given one example. Ram and Shyam were on a trekking adventure when they saw a man shouting for help. So after that you have to write. So don't write here, I told you, don't write about supernatural things, about they saw vampire or zombie. So don't add supernatural things. And second one, so start with the cues, whatever cues, and in a very sequencing manner. First start with the cues and ensure clarity of the plot. You have to ensure the clarity. Whatever you are writing should be clear and related to the theme. And the third, logical sequence of the event. Logical sequence means in a zigzag form. You can see in the zigzag form like Ram is my friend and he is going for tracking. So third sentence should be related to the tracking. On tracking, what happened, you have to write. So in a sequence manner, here also Ram Shyam were on a tracking adventure. When he saw a man shouting for help, then in a sequencing manner you have to write. Don't write illogical things. You have to write in a logical sequence events and a well-defined characters. Third is a well-defined characters. If you're talking about Ram and Shyam, so you have to write in a defined manner. Don't add unnecessary person in the story. Related to the story, you can add the character. And a proper conclusion. You have to give the proper conclusion, logical conclusion you have to give. And the very important, start with happy. Happiness means they are happy. Ram and Shyam were on a trekking adventure, so they were happy. But after that, create a problem. They saw a man shouting for help. So now problem. And now twist. What happened next? On the track, what happened? So you have to mention the twist, and after that thing happen, you have to give the solution also. So this is the logical manner. Now twist is there, so you have to solve the problem, and after that you end the story with proper conclusion. You have to end the story but with the proper conclusion. So that's all for today. We will meet tomorrow with the next topics. Till then, goodbye, take care.